I-adobo ko itong sitaw, tapos talong at saka yung patola. Saute now onions and then garlics, G1 garlics. This is for me. Today I will cook only saute with organic vegetables like this, beans and sponge gourd and 3 pieces of eggplants. I will not cook today dinding, just I saute, simple saute. Then season only with soy sauce and salt. So this is for them, sponge gourd with potatoes curry. So I make my own dish or viand kasi nakakasawa din yung yung kari-kari pa. Kunting mantika lang ito. Now I will put now this beans. Now cover natin. Now we'll open. So we can put now also this eggplants. Ayan oh, walang sira yung eggplants. Kaya lang ito medyo na oh, may medyo na yung seeds, pero okay lang. Ayan. Simple gisado na ulam. All organic vegetables. Hindi ko na nilagyan ng kamatis yung cherry tomatoes. Bawang sibuyas lang. Walang sahog din. So ilagay ko na din ito, sponge gourd o kaya patula, tori o kaya kabatiti. Sarap sana kung may sahog. Walang sahog, okay lang yan. So cover natin. Now let's check. Now we add now soy sauce. And salt. No need to add gravy or soup. This is enough. Because this sponge gourd produce water or gravy. Yan o. May sabaw. So luto na ito. Turn off na natin ang flame. Kasi luto na. So cover natin. Sasaing din ako ng kanin. Sana ba yung cover nito? My rice is ready. And also this one, sauteed beans, eggplants, and sponge gourd. And this is for them, sponge gourd and potatoes curry with also chapatis for them. So this is our dinner and also for our tomorrow for lunch. Today is August 16 and today is Saturday. Time check, Pakistan time is 8 p.m. So Now I will eat now also for my dinner. Let's eat dinner, everyone. White rice, and this is my recipe viand for today. Sauteed beans with the eggplant and sponge gourd with table banana dessert. So, kumain na si Langga. Una kong pinakain si Langga. And then, si Lakay kumain na din. And Fatma. So, si Fahad na lang ang hindi kumain. Mamaya pa yon kakain, mga 9:30 p.m. So, ito, 8:30 p.m. na. Gutom na din ako, kaya kakain na din ako ng dinner. So, kain na tayo ng dinner. Anong mga ulam nyo dyan? So, ito yung aking dinner. Simple dinner. Pagkatapos kong kumain, ito yung aking dessert. Nung tawag dyan, ulam ko ito sa kanin. Kung sa Ilocano ay ipangan ko ti inapoy daytoy sabah. Ayan, naubos ko yung isang bowl na vegetables, sauteed vegetables. And then, may rice. So, ito na yung saging. Ayan, ganyan ko iulam itong saging. Ayan, ganyan. Inuulam ko talaga itong saging sa kanin. Ayan. Oh. Meron palang pipino, nakalimutan ko. Tapos na akong kumain. Meron din mangga, kaya lang gabi kasi. So, ito na lang saging ang dessert ko. With rice. Bukas na lang tanghali yung mangga. Azan na ng Isya, kaya pagkatapos kong kumain, magdasal ako ng Isya. (8:45 p.m. na. Done my dinner. Ayan ang linis ng aking plato. 2 saging, table banana. So, solved na ang aking dinner. Busog-lusog. Alhamdulillah ilazi atama wa sa'ana wa janna minal muslimin. Alhamdulillah.